Hi, welcome to the Creative Curriculum for Preschool by Teaching Strategies. I'm Brian here with a super quick look at the curriculum print materials, which will arrive for you in 4 boxes. This is the curriculum guide, which you'll find in box 1. It provides information on setting up and maintaining a high-quality preschool classroom. The curriculum's 180 days of instruction as detailed in 9 teaching guides. You'll start the year off with this one, the first 6 weeks, building your classroom community. And then you'll end the year with this one called the end of the year. During the rest of the year, you'll get to implement 7 teaching guides that each describe long-term project-based investigations that we call studies, which each cover 20 days of instruction. Other resources include more than 250 intentional teaching experiences, which help you lead focused small group instruction, and 100 mighty minutes, songs, chants, games, and rhymes that reinforce skill development and are perfect for those in-between times, such as transitioning between different parts of your day. You'll receive a children's book collection of 44 high-quality children's books, along with book discussion cards that provide guidance for making the most of repeated read-alouds. You'll also receive Read-Aloud strategy cards that explain how to lead an interactive, engaging read-aloud with nearly any book across a variety of genres. You'll also receive a set of photo cards that help you implement each teaching guide and some specific intentional teaching experiences. There are also upper and lowercase letter cards and numeral cards 1 to 20. And then if you subscribe to the Creative Curriculum Cloud, you'll have access to digital versions of all of these resources in our Smart Teach platform that makes planning a breeze and implementation a delight. We invite you to take a look at a much longer, in-depth unboxing video by scanning the QR code you see on your screen, and learn even more by contacting your local Teaching Strategies account representative.